Hello, in this video, I'm going to explain you the columns block. The columns block is a custom block of our template. So, using this custom block, you can create complex layout on Kajabi. So, this is our sections, and inside this section, you can see we have a text block that is at the top of all blocks, and that is the heading. And after that, you can see we have three column blocks. So this is first one, this is the second one, and this is the third one. So this is how the columns block look like when you add to a section. Now I will explain you how this column blocks is actually working. First, you need to add a column block, and then after this column block, you can add multiple blocks like in these sections. And you can see this is a marquee text block, a video block, and a text block. The result is we have three different complex block for the columns, and you can see we have different background colors. And if I go to the columns, and you can see we have the width for the columns that is currently four columns, and we have the background options, and we have the background options, and you can see on the background we have the background color, border radius, and some other default Kajabi blocks options that is available here. So if I want to add another column, I need to go to the add new block and select the columns. And then I need to select adjust the columns to three columns, and then I will adjust these columns too. So four column will be available in one row. Okay. Now you can see we have the last column. This is the fourth column, and it is empty because it does not have any items. So let's add some items. I'm going to add a um, form, and I'm going to make this one full, and then select a form that is contact, and you can see we have the four forms. We can add other items here. For example, if I want to add a video to this item, I just need to go to the videos and go to that. So using this way, we can actually get complex layout. And if I want to add some background color, I can do that too. We can do the custom preset color, or custom colors. For example, if I want to go to the custom color and select this one, you can see we have the options to use the form and the video that was not possible in Kajabi. But with this column blocks, that is possible, and we can create multiple complex layout like this one. Also, if I go to the other sections, you can see here we also added to the columns. If I go to this item, you can see we have the feature that is showing here, then a form, and then a column. And with this column, we have three different blocks. Okay. So this is how we can do this. Also, we have another section that was also using the columns. the pricing card that is showing on the left, and then the column start, and in the column, under the column, we have three items. So column will start first, and all the item that will go to the column will go under the items. Using this way, we can use multiple layout, a complex layout using the column. That's it. Thank you for watching.